All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning. I don't even know what day it is today. All right. Welcome, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Get on in here. The sky is falling edition. All right. All right. Let's just check out Spy. See what's going on here. All right. So we're already breaking. We're already breaking the August levels of Spy, and looks like we're going towards 433.75 pre-market. Looks like we're touching July's low here. All right, so far. Um, this is obviously retracing quite uh, deeper than I expected. 440, 444 was the estimate. 441 was the bounce area. 440, definitely we needed to hold that, but nope, that's not what it looks like. So, it's one thing you could do is if you're a newer trader to walk away from the market today. Your swings are inevitably going to suck today for sure. But if you're holding on to some great stocks like DATS, etc. Those seem to be holding pretty well, especially DATS at 730. I'm in SDC for a day trade here so far. I do like SDC. This one's a pre-market runner so far. So you guys might want to take a look at that. Go heading into today. But I do expect that at some point later today, the stocks should bounce off these lows and that SPY will bounce as well. Right now, there's just tremendous selling pressure on the SPY. And so we're looking at that. And a couple other stocks that I'm looking at is there's two pre-market bios that's running. Number one is EDSA. All right. And the other one is ZI or Zevo, etc. So those are both running off news right now, and EDSA is kind of forming a flag on a 5-minute chart. So those are opportunities for scalps and for day trade this morning so far. You want to keep stops tight, all right, and we'll see what happens today with SPY. But Tesla has hit a low of 730 pre-market so far. If I always look at Tesla as kind of the market indicator as well. And look at Amazon. Amazon's below 3,400 right now, 3391, 3384 lows. So we'll see what happens in about an hour as we head into this day. So if you guys got questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. Other than that, I would just keep cash heavy at this point and go for day trades. All right. Okay. So no questions at all. Okay, cool. All right. Well, let's see what else is going on here. Let's just take a look at QQQ and see what's going on with that one. I always look at that one. And this one's falling off the wagon. There's a lot of gaps right now. There's a lot of gap downs all over the place. I don't I don't expect I'm sorry. I do expect these gaps to be filled later today. So there are still opportunities. If you're willing to wait patiently for the right play, wait for the trade to come to you, I think we'll see some later today. But just there's a lot of fear, obviously, right now. And you know what we do? We buy the fear when the opportunity presents itself. All right. Okay. So let's see. That's going to be a long-term hold for me. I'm not looking for any particular target. It's just the great technology that they got going on, and if you guys been following me last Friday, the CEO's old website goes directly to Snapchat. It's just pretty interesting. So their quiet period is over this week on the 22nd. So I do believe this is going to be a nice long-term hold. All right. Yeah, low floats. I think everybody will pile onto them, of course. Let's see. You guys want to take probably short IRNT. IRNT seems like a good short right now. And excuse me, and also OPAD as well. OPAD, it might be a good short, So there's still plenty of opportunities for puts if you know how to play puts. Let's see. OPAD is hitting $12.52 pre-market. This thing may well go below 10. So that's another short opportunity for you guys there. All right. And let's see. SDC is at 712. I think SDC might be a good winner today. So let's see what happens with SDC here. All right. Going over to our chart. Yeah, just a little retracement. Okay. All right, guys, let's see what else you guys got. SoFi was expected to start uptrend this week. I don't know what's going on with SoFi. I just don't play. I just don't mess around with SoFi at all. And some of um, these bank names. It's just there's no. I don't see that upward movement yet with SoFi or Open or not Open. The I forget what's the other one. Okay. Is the end near? I don't think so. I say that jokingly on my Twitter. It's not. It really isn't. There's just a lot of emotions running high right now. With the whole Evergrande situation, I believe in China. Obviously, Asia stocks fell overnight, and so you're seeing a lot of that trickle down, into the U.S. market. So yeah, Spy doesn't look like it wants to come back so far. Hit a low of like 433.50 or so, and needs a bounce. Nothing goes straight down. There's got to be a pretty aggressive bounce soon here. So, if you wait patiently, I think we'll see. I think we'll see the bounce later today. If you wait patiently and not force any trades. All right. Okay, with that being said, I'm done for the pre-market prep. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. If you guys have any questions, feel free to inbox me. All right, and stay safe out there. Have a good one.